If your holiday cards are currently migrating across your dining room table or your kitchen counter, this week's video is for you, my friend. Hi, everybody. This is Whitney with Girl Friday Crafts, and I am back with your organizing tip of the week, holiday edition. And we are going to talk about sending out those holiday cards a little bit easier. You might already be in the thick of it. You might already be done. Hats off to you because I haven't even started. So put this idea wherever it fits in your card making timeline for this year. Maybe this is something to consider for next year. Maybe it will help you this year if you're still in process. But a card caddy is a great way to keep everything handy, easily accessible, and all in one spot. So my go-to recommendation, and this is an empty one because I use these storage containers all the time, is something like this. This is a Sterlite stack and go, but it's a smaller version and it's got 3 levels. I'm going to take this apart so you can see what this looks like, and I'm going to link to this in the video description. So this top level has a little removable caddy in it like this. Great for your stamps, if you use seals, things like that. Great for post-it notes, any of the little things that you might need while you're doing your holiday cards. You can also take that out, and then you have 3 just empty bins. Let me give you the dimensions on this guy. But these empty layers are great for your actual cards, pens, pencils, markers, your Christmas card list. My little address book, which I really only use for Christmas cards, would fit in this. So internally, these are a little over 9 inches long and about 6.5 inches wide. And it sits about, I can't see that turned around, they're about 2 inches deep. So each container is about the same. And all of these are smaller on the outside, bigger there in the middle. And then the lids snap on, which makes it really nice and has a little handle. So I will drop a link to that, but that's just an example. You can make something. You might already have something at home that would work for this purpose, but a small cardboard box would work. The idea is just to have something you can drop everything in, pick it up, move it to wherever you need it, pull out everything you need, and put it back when you're finished. For those of us that don't do a card making or card preparing and sending all in one shot, right? Break it up a little bit over time. So you might be pulling this in and out multiple times over the course of your card sending season. So that's the tip for this week. Let me know what you think. If you have something that you already use, drop it in the comments. Let people know what you're using and what you find useful and what works for you. I will be back next week with another little tip. And then as we finish out the holiday season, we'll talk about the post-holiday organization. How do you clean it up in a way that makes next year a little bit easier? Y'all have a great day, and I will talk to you later.